I booked a comp cruise and I play well, and the next cruise maybe I booked on a 50, I didn't play as much. Where, I mean, there could be a lot of different scenarios. And it, you know, it happens, right? Sometimes big play, and for whatever reason, the next trip, there's just not as much play. So with us and with Royal, our trips are based on a rolling average of your play. So if you've got 3 real strong trips and you have 1 that's shorter, or that's you know, not as much, it would bring the average down, but it's not gonna, it's like 1 bad trip, you're done. Okay, so it's a rolling average. So the more good trips you have, the less 1 low trip is going to affect your offers. Obviously, you wouldn't, if you didn't play a lot and you didn't get a certificate in the cruise, you know, you didn't get that certificate, right? So that offer wouldn't be there. But the rolling average would dip a little bit. It probably would be reflected on your offers depending on how big of a dip it was. But since it's a rolling average, hopefully it doesn't affect that much.